SalesForce Commerce Cloud Dropshipping Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to the platform and additional resources are provided in the description below. In this video, I'll give you a complete review of SalesForce Commerce Cloud for dropshipping, highlighting its features, strengths, weaknesses, and who it's best suited for. Let's get straight to it. SalesForce Commerce Cloud is an enterprise-level e-commerce platform designed for businesses aiming to scale rapidly while maintaining a seamless shopping experience for customers. While it's not exclusively built for dropshipping, it does support dropshipping workflows through integrations with third-party tools and apps. It's particularly powerful for managing multiple sales channels, including websites, mobile apps, and social platforms, all from a single dashboard. The platform excels in providing robust tools for inventory management, order processing, and customer relationship management (CRM), ensuring that your operations are efficient and customer-centric. One of the platform's key strengths is its scalability and customization. SalesForce Commerce Cloud is built for medium to large businesses that demand high performance and flexibility. It offers advanced personalization features, AI-driven product recommendations, and powerful analytics tools that help you optimize your dropshipping store for conversions and customer engagement. Additionally, its integration with the broader Salesforce ecosystem provides access to industry-leading CRM tools, making it easy to manage customer data and marketing campaigns effectively. However, there are some weaknesses to consider. SalesForce Commerce Cloud is not a budget-friendly option, with pricing tailored toward larger businesses. This makes it less accessible for small dropshipping startups or solo entrepreneurs. Moreover, while the platform is highly customizable, its advanced features often require technical expertise or the help of a developer, which may increase the overall cost and complexity of setup. Another downside is that it doesn't natively support dropshipping, so you'll need third-party integrations to streamline the process. Who is SalesForce Commerce Cloud for? It's ideal for established businesses or enterprises looking to scale their dropshipping operations while maintaining a high level of control and customization. If you're managing a large catalog, operating across multiple regions, or focusing on a premium customer experience, this platform is worth considering. However, if you're a small business or beginner, the high cost and complexity might outweigh its benefits. That wraps up the review of SalesForce Commerce Cloud for dropshipping. If you're interested, check out the links in the description for more details. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more e-commerce insights.